Are you tired of watching visitors land on your website and then just leave? Or your sales numbers looking like a roller coaster going straight down? If you're losing potential customers, you're in the right place. Today, I am revealing the secret to creating a hero section that converts 90% of your visitors into clients. Yep, you heard that right, 90%. So stop losing sales and let's dive in. Look, most hero sections are a disaster. They're cluttered, confusing, and fail to tell visitors exactly what to do. You've got only a few seconds to grab their attention. If you don't, they're gone. And when that happens, you're essentially throwing money away. The problem, your hero section isn't optimized to convert. It's not built to instantly connect with your audience, and that's why you're losing sales. So, what's the secret? It's all about these key elements. Let's break them down. First, a compelling headline. It needs to be clear, concise, and speak directly to your audience's pain points or desires. Think of it as your hook. Instead of "Welcome to our website," try something like "Double your sales in 30 days. Instant impact." Second, a visually stunning image or video. This is your first impression, so use high quality visuals that represent your team. Third, a clear and concise value proposition. What's in it for them? Why should they stay? Tell them immediately, like, get access to proven strategies that increase your conversion rates by 90%, or our platform helps you generate leads and increase revenue fast. Fourth, a strong call to action CTA. Make it obvious. Want them to act now? Use action-oriented language like shop now, get started free, or download your guide. Make your CTA button large, bold, and easy to spot. Fifth, social proof. So testimonials, reviews, or logos of well-known clients to build trust. When visitors see that others trust you, they are more likely to trust you too. For example, this system doubled our sales in just weeks. John S., CEO of XYZ company. Sixth, minimal distractions. Keep your hero section clean and focused. Remove anything that doesn't contribute to your core message. By applying these strategies, you will significantly increase your chances of converting visitors into clients. Next, let's look at some real-life examples of businesses that nailed their hero sections and saw impressive results. First up, we've got Shopify. The hero section hits you with a crystal clear message. No fluff, no jargon, just a clear promise. And right next to it, a big start free trial button. No commitment, no worries. Next, take Slack for example. They offer a free version, making it easy for people to sign up. Once users see who else is using Slack and watch a quick demo, they get a clear idea of how it works. By the time the free trial ends with limitations, most users are comfortable and satisfied enough to switch to a paid plan. That's a perfect example of a conversion-focused hero section, right? Finally, Duolingo grabs attention with the free, fun, and effective way to learn a language. With the prominent Get Started button, it's all about quick wins. The playful visuals also add a fun vibe. So, what do these examples tell us? It's not just about having a pretty website. It's about strategically designing your hero section to guide visitors towards taking action. By applying these strategies, you will significantly increase your chances of converting visitors into clients. Remember, your hero section is your digital storefront. Make it count. If you want to learn more about conversion optimization and website design, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources. Now go build that 90% converting hero section and stop losing sales.